Hi, this is Professor Bauer. Welcome to week 6 of ICT 4105, Project Contracts and Procurements. This week we're actually starting to build out the template for our procurement project even more. And we'll talk a little bit about that. Hope you had a great weekend and you've recovered from Super Bowl madness. It was encouraging to see so many working on Sunday morning to get all their work out of the way so that they would be able to enjoy the game. Hopefully they weren't Kansas City fans because I'm not sure that was quite enjoyable. But anyway, hope everyone's doing well. We are more than halfway through the class, and hopefully you're learning a ton and getting some sense of how crazy the world of procurement is. Let's take a look at the week, and we'll take a little overview for the week. We'll do a deep dive into the discussions and then the project charter, which is the major assignment. That'll be what we'll cover in the Zoom room this coming Thursday, if you care to jump in. It was good to have a few folks show up last Thursday, and we walked through the homework assignment and discussed it. So hopefully you'll be in good shape. If you're standing there kind of scratching your head, it took all of 20 minutes to walk through it. So it's volunteer, but if you're interested, check it out. Okay, I went crazy with my highlighter for the discussion questions. Some of the questions I've been looking at lately are pretty general. Hey, nice comment. Hey, that was awesome. Hey, I like the way you did this. And this one, there's a lot more detail. You're going to make sure that you're looking at the project team and the key stakeholders. There's an executive presentation, and you're targeting your customer segment or users, stakeholders. Who are your three audiences is what your initial post, and what are your key messages about your project to those audiences in terms of what you're going to procure. And then with respect to the comments that you make about your peers, what were the best ideas in terms of addressing their three audiences? And good follow-up questions as well. Those things will help. Question number 2, after reviewing the learning materials, make sure you do that. If you're doing independent research, if you're talking to your company, this is a real procurement. Hopefully it is. Talk to some of your key stakeholders. Share your research and the ideas here so that your peers can react and respond. Do the same in terms of reacting to their ideas and offer some feedback. The first of these, actually the second of these assignments, this is the project charter, and I tried to underline the key deliverables. Okay, first of all, which type of procurement and project type are you going to use? Agile, lean, traditional, and is that a reflection of the technology your organization has? Hey, at Disney, we always do it this way, or we always do it that way. We're waterfall, and we've always been, et cetera, et cetera. Whatever practice your organization uses, do it that way. And then in terms of the assignment, review the videos, do what research you can. You can do it online. You can do it talking to some people. Draft a project charter and product vision. There's a template in there, and there's templates in the project manager's book of forms. Create a narrative of your charter. Okay, this is what you deliver and submit. A narrative is, I did this, I talked this, I came up with a type of project type, agile, lean, traditional. I talked to these people. I did research on this. I talked to my buddy in procurement at Boeing and et cetera. And here's why I came up with this particular charter. And limit your narrative to 5 pages in length. Okay, one file. with that charter in Word. And if you have tables, make sure you use at least one. And then, of course, make sure that you look at the um, format and style requirements. The rubric is your friend. This one is 50 points. Because no one can read the ones that I put out there, I zoomed in on the left side, which is where you really want to go. Look at the 3 rubric areas in terms of content clarity and the grammar and formatting requirements, and see what is there. Remember what we talked about, incorporates material from the reading assignments and from his or her experiences. This is where your interviews, things like that, would be key. Okay, and so hopefully that will be clear. If it's not, remember the Zoom room this coming Thursday. I hope you are plowing right along. We have 6 weeks and only 4 weeks to go. So good luck, work hard. We're more than halfway home. Bye-bye now.